Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the fourth problem of exercise 1.2 from Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started with the fourth problem. Question number 4. It is given that the HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. So find the LCM of 306 and 657. So they are basically given us the HCF of 306 and 657 as 9 and asking us to calculate the LCM of the given pair of numbers. So let's go ahead with the solutions. As you know that the product of any two numbers, say A and B, have the product of these two numbers always equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. The similar manner we are going to solve this problem. They have given us the HCF and the numbers and asking us to calculate the LCM. So LCM is equal to the product of two numbers divided by HCF. So 306 into 657 divided by HCF, that is 9, gives you 22,338. So we have completed the fourth problem of this exercise. In my next video, I'll be providing the solutions for the remaining problems. So please do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.